Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a designed section in Selldone's Page Builder and reuse it for future projects. This feature is a huge time saver and helps maintain a consistent design across your store. Let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this handy tool. On the left side of each section, you'll find 4 tools: Copy, Paste, Delete, and Save. Click on the Save icon to add the section to the ready-to-use list on the right side. Give the section a descriptive name, such as 3 columns, 1 row with elevation effect. This makes it easier to locate the section later. Next up, click on Add. In the Page Builder, you can save changes either by clicking on the top left corner or by using the Ctrl+S shortcut. Now click to save. The section has been successfully added to the list. You can now drag and drop it onto the page between existing sections. This is a landing page for a baby store. To use that section, I refresh the page to see the new list. The section is now available. You can drag it with your mouse, place it between sections on the page, and drop it. After a few seconds, it will be added seamlessly. Simple as that, and that's it. Now you know how to save a section in the Page Builder and reuse it whenever needed. This will streamline your workflow and ensure your store looks professional and cohesive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.